All of my fidget toys. The first one is this one. I like this. Second one I love, and it's big. Yeah, I'm showing you two. I don't have time. These two. I love these two. I got this one's like my first one. Got this at Target. These two, I got this one at the mall and got this one at the mall. These are too good. I got this one and this one from Amazon. They're both from Amazon. And I got this from Five Below and then this from Amazon. This was my second favorite. Okay, so we have this one. We have this one. I have 23 or 24 poppets. Let me show you up close those designs. And then that. Good. Both of these at Five Below. Five Below, Amazon. Let me show you guys these. This is loud. This is not very loud. Oh my gosh. I have two left. Okay, good. These three. Let me show you. Okay. Two more. I have the rest. Okay, these are all my poppets. If you can count them all. All my dimples. Here's my butterfly. Here's my regular dimple. Here's my dimple. That's one. And then my two fidget spinner dimples. And then I had another dimple of these, but my friend stole it. She didn't really steal it. I should not let her get it. Here's all of my fidget toys. I'll show you some. This, like, bounces high. Well, it doesn't really do it. I don't know why. Whoa. What? Show me on camera. It's kind of like a marble mesh. Whoa, that was cool. And then I got a bite. You only have one of these. That's sad. I have two tangles, which is sad. I'm supposed to have more. Stop getting monkey noodles. My cat loves monkey noodles so bad. He already has one in his mouth. Monkey noodles. I have 8 or I have 7. Let's see. 5 or 7. Let's see. Wacky Tracks. Those are my second favorite fidget because they like crack as a back. Cool. Okay, peas in the pot. I have 2 of these. But I used to have 3, and I used to give it to my mom. Well, because it's a keychain, why not? Get out of the way, bruh. Okay. 2 peas in the pods. One's hard. This one's from Amazon. And this one's from Amazon. They're 2 different, but I like this one more because it's softer. And then I got a fidget pad. I know all these names. I got a fidget pad, remote controller. This is like my 3rd favorite because I like all the fidgets on there. And then marble meshes. We can't forget our marble meshes. I collect these. I'm going to collect these. These are like, I got 4 of these. Let's see. Yeah, I got 4 of these. Wow. And then infinity cubes. I almost forgot them. They're my best friend's favorite fidget. He traded it with my friend for like this one. This one's not like make noise as this one. I was like, he got his fidget back because I saw him got his fidget back. And she wanted a yellow one. I got a yellow one, but it's not like her one. I was like, yeah, I got a yellow one, but she already knows I got a yellow one. And she already knows it's like that. So, got 3 of these. And then I got a snake. I only have 1. I lost my other one. I don't know where it is. And I got these. Okay, that's good. Stop. There's a monkey noodle over there. Look. That's ASMR. Oh, these. I forgot the name of these. They're, I forgot the name. I like these. I have a lot of them. And we can't forget mochis, everybody. I got a lot of mochis. Okay, I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 mochis. Wait, hold on. I forgot one, I think. No, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't, so. I have a lot of mochis, but not as lot as my friends. Okay, what else? What else? Oh, yeah, the old. I got these mini ones when I was going to St. Louis. I got this, and I think I'm going to St. Louis again. I don't want to. Get out! I don't want to because I have to get a tube down my throat. Pray for me, please. Okay. Guys, I'm so sorry if I have not making a lot of videos lately over my fidgets. I do have a lot of fidgets, and I could give it someone that likes and subscribes. I could give